Experiencing constant restarts with your T-Mobile home internet box? It usually boils down to three main issues: power problems, overheating, or firmware glitches. First, check your power supply. Ensure you're using the original T-Mobile adapter, 12 volts 2 amps, and that it's securely connected. Blinking red lights often signal power instability. Next, consider heat. Place the box in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight and enclosed spaces. Overheating can trigger automatic shutdowns to prevent damage. Finally, software bugs can cause reboot loops. Regularly check for firmware updates through the T-Mobile app or website. Addressing these areas will help you pinpoint the cause of the restarts. For power problems, try a different outlet or use a UPS to protect against surges. For overheating, improve ventilation by moving the box to a cooler location and clean any dust buildup. To resolve firmware glitches, try a manual reset by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, perform a factory reset, but be aware this will erase your custom settings. Always ensure your firmware is up to date. T-Mobile is integrating AI-assisted diagnostics. Check the app for suggested fixes like optimizing placement for better cooling. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for remote diagnosis and potential replacement.